Today I'm in Dubai. I just can't believe I'm here. It's amazing. I'm visiting this miracle garden place. It looks like a garden on steroids. Like, it looks amazing. So I think you're gonna love it. So far Dubai has been great. It's so clean here. The streets are clean, no garbage or anything. It took so long to get here on the flight, but I think it's just gonna be great. Never seen so many flowers in one place at one time. They must use so much water to water all this because it's so hot out. But it's just beautiful. Visiting here was on our first day, and I gotta say it was great. You've got to come here when you're in Dubai. It was just, I've never seen so many flowers. Just great. So I'll see you on the next one.